If your house had gutter and they usually get clogged like this because of leaves from the big trees, this video is for you. So I stopped by my local hardware store the other day and I was looking for gutter products. Right now I'm at the roofing section and the first thing I saw is this chip foam. Many research shows that this foam easily get clogged and damaged by the sun. Same with this one. Next, $2 for per piece like this. This one is made from vinyl and it's really vulnerable, easy to break. A little more expensive, I found this one, but it's still made from vinyl. I saw many houses and they are using this type of gutter protector. It's like a galvanized mesh with the paint cover. It's pretty good in my opinion. One side you put under the roof and the other side put snap to the gutter. $3. So this is the most expensive one, and some reviews say that this still works the same with like the other one, but it looks more fancy. And this one, never buy this one. I bought two before and it really sucks. It's get everything stuck and the water not even flow and go all over outside. As you can see right here, when it push all the lift, stop it right there and the water stop flowing. This one really bad. Don't even think about it. It's really cheap, but it's not working at all. Now I will show you a tip, a very useful tip that I have learned from the internet, that I use this one and convert to something very useful like this one. It's very easy and it works like a charm. As you can see right here, I snap it under the gutter like this. Snap very tight. As you can see, whenever the water push the lips, they go right over. They're not stuck. And small thing like this can easily go down. This is another side that I put this gutter guard. It will filter the big lifts, but the small nuts like this one, it let it go through. So now I'm going to show you how to make one. You unopen this one, pull it really strong, hard, make it longer, and then use clipper to shape it. Do the same with both sides. Now you just have to clip randomly, make the hole bigger. Once again, if you could and you need to buy some gutter grass, buy this one. This is the best and affordable. It really is strong, very easy to install. It's gonna look like something like this after you install. And this is the best commercial, the best product I saw.